So today we will discuss a question from LeetCode, that is maximum consecutive ones in an array. We will discuss it in Python. As we know that we don't often use Python for competitive programming, but in this question we can use Python to solve this. So our question is to print the maximum number of consecutive ones. Means if the input given as 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 0 1, here I have written it in a form of list, but I will solve it as a array, and we see that there are 3 ones, which means the output will be 3. So what will be our intuition behind solving this? So first we take a count variable and assign it as 0, and also a max variable which we will assign it to 0. And the main thing is to first iterate through the array so that we can access each element of the array and perform the simple task so that we get output 3 in this case. So first we run a loop so that each element can be accessed. So first element is 1. When we get 1, we will increase the count by 1. So our count will be now 1, and we compare with max, that is, in this case, if max will be less than count, then we will interchange. So here max is 0 and now count is 1. So now we have to change max to 1. In next iteration it will move to 0. So when we get 0, we have to make the count equal to 0. So now the count becomes 0 because we have to only count 1. So we don't need 0, so we make count 0 so that consecutive one will be counted only. If we take 0, then it will be not consecutive ones, it will give the count of all ones in the array. And we know, and no need for checking, but if we check, then count is 0, so max will be 1, here is no change. Then when we move from 0 to 1, it becomes 1. So this time there is 1, so count is again changed to 1, and max and count are equal, so no change. When we move from 1, this one, then it is also 1, so this count becomes 2. This time 2 is greater than previous max, so max will be changed to 2. Again we move from this position to this position, the max will be changed to 3, or count will be changed to 3, and now max will be less than count, so it will be changed to 3. Again we move from this to this, we get 0, so we have to make the count 0, but 0 is less than max, so there will be no change. When again we move through it, we get 1, and this count is changed to 1 because we get 1, and this time max is greater than count, so no change. And again when we get 0, the count is changed to 0, and after that we get max, comparison between max and count, which we get no change. So after moving to the last element, we get 1, so the count changes to 1, and 1 is less than max, so the final max will be 3, and which will be our output, as there are consecutive 3 ones. So 3 will be our output as there are only 3 ones, and hence we will at last we print the max variable so that we get the output. So this is the dry run, this is only dry run, we get the code in Python. So it's time to see the code. Thank you.